Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to transfer Google Photos from one account to another. So to do that, let's head over to the steps I'm gonna show you. So the first one is you can use Google Takeout for export and import. So the first step is you have to access the Google Takeout, then select the Google Photos and choose your transfer settings. Decide whether to transfer all the photos or specific albums and choose a destination for your photos. If you already have one, then you are okay. And if you don't have one, just create a new one and request export and click on the send export link to get a .zip file of your photos and download and import. To sign in the destination account and download the .zip file from email, then extract the files and upload them to your new account. The second method is sharing an album and manual transfer. Sign in both accounts, open your browser, and sign into both of your source and destination Google Photos account. And in the source account, open the album, click the share icon, and select create link. Copy the generated link in the destination account, paste the link, and select all the photos in the album. And click the plus icon, choose album, and create a new album with the same name. And just finalize to that, add to album, and confirm. The third way is partner sharing. So access your Google Photos settings and navigate to share libraries and accept the invitation to share photos with a second account and choose automatically add to library for all photos and allow time for the photos to transfer to the new account. So yeah, this is how easily you can just transfer Google Photos from one account to another. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we will reach you out.